everyone, in this video today you're going to learn what is PayPal account, why is it needed, how can you create your own PayPal account, and how can you link your bank account to your PayPal account. My name is Trilekha and I make videos on English grammar, personality development, parenting, work from home ideas and lot more, and you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. If you are a YouTuber, if you're a freelancer, or if you're thinking to begin as a freelancer, and if you work for any of the foreign countries, you will need a PayPal account. PayPal is the safest and quickest way to send and receive money from other countries. To send money to someone, all you need is the email address of that person, and the other person can also send you money using your PayPal account by just using your email address which you have linked to your PayPal account. You can also use PayPal account to shop online, and this is the safest way to shop online. I will tell you how. When we shop online, what we do, we enter our card details every time. So if you use PayPal account to shop online, you will not have to enter your card details every time. So by just clicking once, you can make the payment. Also, you can save your financial data from seller and hackers. So PayPal keeps your financial data hidden. Now let us understand step-by-step process. How can you create your PayPal account? To open a PayPal account, all you need to do is to go to Google and type PayPal. Okay, once you type PayPal, you will see paypal.com and click on paypal.com. Now this kind of website will get open and we are signing up for the first time. So we will click here on the menu and we will click on sign up. I already have an account, but to show you I am creating one more account with another email ID. Now we have two options here, as you can see, individual account and business account. I would suggest you to go for business account, because if you are creating PayPal account, then you should be able to receive and send payments both. If you create individual account, you will be able to only send payments. So now to proceed, click on next. Once you click on next, you will see this kind of screen. Here, choose via email, invoicing or link, so that you can use your email ID to send and receive payments. Now you have to choose your monthly sales volume. So I am choosing third option. Again, you have to choose payment preference, so we will click on the third option here and then next. Now enter your email address. Now when you enter this email address, try to enter email address which you use for your official communication, okay, because that is going to be used for your payments also, and that is going to be linked to your PayPal account. So I am giving another address now. gmail.com and then submit. Now you will have to set your password, and these are the rules to set a password. So these are the criteria which you need to remember. Enter at least 8 characters, and then there should be one special character and all that. I'm sure you all know about it. So let me quickly set my password. Now you have to describe your business here. So choose individual. When you choose individual, you will have to type some product or service keyword related to your domain, but my domain is little different, so there may not be any keyword related to my domain. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to choose with information here. Information, yeah. So you can choose, you can choose computer network and information services here, and purpose code related to this. So we will choose purpose code here. Other information services. So if you are confused that you don't know what kind of keyword you should go for, you can choose these two, okay. You have to enter PAN number of that person whom account you are going to link to PayPal account. You have to type your name here now. You can simply type your name and then submit. Now fill your information, your first name, and then nationality, then your date of birth, then primary code address, then address, all personal information you have to fill here, and one contact number also, so the number which you use for communication, and then primary currency Indian rupees, and then there should be a check mark in this box. Okay, business address is same as the home address if it is actually same. So my business address is same as my home address, so I'm going to click on agree and continue. So once you click on submit, it will bring you to this kind of page, and you have to click on the first option to confirm your email. When you click on the first option, it will take you to your Gmail, and there you will have to click on a link to confirm your email. I'm not going to do this. I'm going to skip it because I already have an email address attached to my PayPal account. I'm doing all this just to teach you how to create an account. So now I'm directly doing the second step, which is how to link a bank account to your PayPal account. So before you sit for the whole process of this PayPal account, you will have to keep few things ready with you. PAN card, then your bank passbook, and then your Aadhaar card and all those address proof. Okay, so keep all your documents ready. That's what I mean to say. Now link a bank account, you have to give IFSC code. So just put your IFSC code. You can find it in your passbook. Then enter your account number. Once you enter your account number, account name, I am choosing business, that's what you can choose, and then click on link your bank. And since my bank account is already linked to my another email ID, so I think I won't be able to proceed ahead with this process. Okay, so after this you can do it on your own. It's very easy. If you get stuck, you can always ask me. And let me show you some important things now. After linking a bank account, you will have to complete all these process, complete online verification, and then upload your identity documents. So you need to upload your Aadhaar card, PAN card, whatever you want as address proof, and then your account will be almost done. Now I'm going to tell you something very important here. You may get stuck somewhere, so you can click here on the right hand corner, and you will see some message center here. Okay, so whenever I face problem, what I do is I contact them from here. So you can type your message here and they respond. Okay, so you have to choose that whatever difficulty you are facing, is it related to pending payment or some payment has been declined, anything. So you can choose your option from here, and then you can contact them. They definitely help and they will resolve your query. Okay, so go ahead, create your account, and if you get stuck, you can always ask me. If you like this video, do let me know through your comments. If you find it useful, do not forget to share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe to my channel for more such updates. Thank you so much for watching me.